Pull up round the side of him. Slowly, slowly. That's it, stop, 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 stop. Just stay here if you can. Show us your ass. No.
Just throw it through.
What? Dave, you're pathetic.
Oh my god.
Oh, leave it, Dave.
Yeah, let him do it.
It's a nice window.
Oh shit, how dirty is this floor? So much action.
Here, just carry on. This is filming. Just walk over there and film that thing. Keep it as a nice continuous shot.
What we're filming?
Just that hub smashed into the window.
Fucking retard. Ow! Anyone got a screwdriver? It's well cool.
Richard probably has.
Of course. I got glass in my shoe. Yeah, I'll carry on filming that. What screwdriver do you need? Yeah. Bonnet? Alright. I've got a wet bum.